Jay Bond here, Bond Real Estate Group. It is the time again of that month, the SLO County Market Snapshot Update from yours truly to all of you amazing folks here on the Central Coast. So today, going to touch base on a few things. Low inventory, rising interest rates. What does that mean for you, the consumer, home buyers and home sellers? We're going to talk about that today, guys. So bear with me here as I look at my cheat sheet of numbers and data that I can pilfer through and give you guys some examples of what's taking place in the current San Luis Obispo County market right now. So bear with me as I delve through here. And again, these numbers, as I mentioned, in our videos, are year-over-year trends that you see. And again, so this data is going to be from February 2021 to this year, of course, February 2022. So taking a look here, we're going to see some increases with regards to single-family home sales. So San Luis Obispo County as a total, year-over-year change from February, again, last year to this year, 18.9%, it's almost 19% increase. Rio Grande, 24%. Tascadero, 15%. Avila Beach, 24%. Cambria, 30%, 30.5%. Cayucas, 32%. Creston, 25%. Grover Beach, 14%. Los Osos, 9%. Morro Bay, 19%. Nipomo, 7%, almost 8%. Oceano, 18%. Paso, 14.6%. Pismo Beach, whopping 31%. I know Pismo's been crazy lately. San Luis Obispo, 9.79%. So both zips and SLO about 9%. San Luis Obispo totals on average 9.5%. Okay. Let me see here. Santa Maria, not in our county, but still we service it, 15%. And Templeton, 24%. So guys, you're seeing these numbers increase. One thing that is a misconception, and I want to take a step back on this. Everyone is talking about low inventory, right? Gosh, there's very few available homes for sale. As soon as they hit the market, well, then a few days, they're absolutely gone, or there's multiple offers, a lot of cash flying around. What exactly is going on? I want to provide some clarity and some transparency on all of this and how to analyze this data. If you look at the data, you'll actually see that more homes historically sold this past year, so more homes sold in 2021 than in 2020. And I'm going to go ahead and just go out on a branch and say, or go out on a limb and say, hey, we're probably going to see more homes sell in 2022 than in 2021. So what I mean by all this is saying that don't get the impression or have the misconception that there is less homes selling. That's not the truth. There's more homes selling than ever over these past 2 years, and that trend continues right now. It just looks scarce again because they're moving so darn quickly, right, that there's very little inventory available on the market right now. Now, again, the demand in the marketplace, I think, has been a real saving grace for a lot of sellers over the last handful of months. Certain property types in particular, ones that could be maybe vacation rentals or Airbnbs or, good investments, those ones are still pretty darn hot to trot. But are we seeing values on the rise? My opinion, no, we're not. You're seeing homes that are either priced at market or under getting bid up to either market value for that time, of course, and place in the market, or slightly higher based on their aggressive pricing strategies. So when you see homes getting bid up, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going up in value per se. It means they might just have priced it under market and have got multiple offers to bid it up to market value at that time. And again, guys, market value is just based on historic data. It's not setting the new precedent or the bar, right, for current environment in the marketplace. But long story short, lack of inventory, right now, or fast moving inventory, I should say, is what's really keeping values consistent. Now, I know everyone is chatting and seeing right now interest rates going up, right? And what does that ultimately mean for home buyers? Money is more expensive to borrow, right? And rates are going to continue trending up from what they are forecasting currently. So what is a long tail impact of that on the marketplace? Well, historically, when you see interest rates on the rise, property values will start to trend down, or they'll follow suit in that direction, right? So are we going to see that here in this market and nationally? Quite possibly. I mean, I think that's what makes the most sense, seeing these rates go up. You may see buyers cooling off, right, and backing off a little bit, which for a lot of property types, we have been seeing that being in the trenches every day. And over time, what would that happen? What kind of impact is that going to have on the inventory in the marketplace? Well, in my honest opinion, what's going to happen is over time, with buyers backing off, sellers will start creeping out of the woodwork a little bit more and feeling more confident, right, about putting their homes on the market. So over time, we may be seeing more inventory, more affordable inventory, with rates on the rise and values softening and trending down. Now, is this going to be some sort of like overnight, impact that we're going to see or change or anything? I don't know. I don't think it's going to be an overnight. I think it's going to be more of a gradual thing that we're going to see. The question remains too, with a lot of folks looking into other marketplaces with the poor performance in stocks and bonds, etc. People are pulling their cash out of the markets, right? And they're sitting on cash that's devaluing as the days go on with hyperinflation. And so what does that mean? Folks are wanting to park cash into more tangible assets, right? Like gold, silver, real estate. So that's kind of the outlier right now in the marketplace, is the hyperinflation. But overall, looking again at historical data, as I mentioned, historically when the rates go up, right, values will trend down. So my opinion as far as forecast is concerned, I think again over the next 12, 24 months, we're going to start seeing more inventory and potentially more affordable inventory, if you will. So again, you ever have any questions? How's the market? Jay, hey, we're looking for a market analysis, or what's taking place right now that's important for us to know. Hey, send us a DM or a PM, depending on the platform that you're using there online. Email us, info@bondreg.com. We're here to serve you guys, bring a lot of value, and keep you up to date with what's going on here on the Central Coast real estate market. Thank you so much.